Myself Sairitupanna Boida from Standard 5. I am standing here to present my views on this Republic Day. I feel proud to speak something on this auspicious day. As you all know that we got independence on 15 August 1947 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and many great leaders. But without rule and regulation, it is very difficult to maintain the dignity of our independence. Government means rule for the people, by the people, of the people. So everybody felt the need of a proper rule book that is prepared by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his committee. In the consent of all leaders, our constitution would be implemented from 26 January 1950 and it gives treasure to ourselves to feel proud on ourselves. So I wish you all the happiest Republic Day and thank you for listening me so patiently. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
तुपना कला साहित्य संसद तीर्तोल एही चैनल रे आपणकर कविता गीत नृत्याभिनय एवं क्षुद्र कहानी भित्तिक कार्यक्रम को स्थान देवा निमंते वीडियो रे दिया जाइथिबा व्हाट्सएप नंबर रे आपणकर कार्यक्रम रो वीडियो एवं ऑडियो क्लिप को पठाई दियंतु। वीडियोटी को लाइक करबा सहित चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु। धन्यवाद।